attracting more customers using social media. Welcome to our social media strategy training. By the end of this training, you will understand your target audience, learn how to provide value through content, engage authentically with your audience, implement strategies to convert followers into customers. Here are essential steps to enhance your social media presence. Knowing your audience is the foundation of effective posts. How to identify, analyze demographics, interests, and common challenges. Action. Create tailored posts that resonate with this audience. Showing value first builds trust with potential customers. How to add value. Share insights, tips, and transformation stories. Action. Regularly publish high-quality content that educates. Engaging authentically creates deeper connections. How to engage. Respond to comments and ask questions. Action. Encourage conversations to foster community. Now, let's review our knowledge with practical scenarios. You noticed an engagement spike on a specific post. What's the next step? Check and analyze. Identify if the audience aligns with your service. Your action should be: refine your messaging based on their feedback. Imagine your posts aren't receiving comments. What should you do? Pause and reflect. Is your content generating the right conversations? If not, revise your approach to spark engagement. Let's recap what you've learned. Be consistent in your posting. Provide valuable content to your audience. Be authentic in your interactions. Please contact AfriTech Global to book your opportunity and boost your online presence. Thank you for joining AfriTech Global's social media strategy training.